Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to review the brand new 2025 HP Victus 16 gaming laptop, and if you're hunting for power, performance, and style in one solid machine. Right pointing finger emoji. Before diving in, make sure to check the link in the description below for the best deal available today. It might be on sale right now. Let's jump into it. Fire emoji. Performance. Leading the charge is the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, and guess what? It outperforms even the Intel i9-11900H in most benchmark scores. This CPU brings serious muscle for gamers, streamers, and creators alike. Video game emoji. Graphics-wise, you're getting the NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU, one of the most efficient and capable cards out there in 2025. With ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and 8GB of GDDR6 VRAM, you can easily play AAA games on ultra settings at high frame rates. Floppy disk emoji. The specs are insane. 64GB of DDR5 RAM ensures absolutely no lag while multitasking, and the 2TB SSD gives you lightning fast load times and all the storage you need for your games, videos, and software. Television emoji. The 16.1-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate delivers a smooth, immersive gaming experience with vibrant colors and crisp visuals. Whether you're battling in fast-paced shooters or exploring open-world RPGs, this screen won't disappoint. Gale emoji. And don't worry about heat, the improved HP cooling system keeps this laptop cool even during intense gaming sessions. It's optimized for quiet performance, which is perfect for streamers and content creators. Keyboard emoji. The keyboard is stylish and responsive, with customizable backlighting, perfect for late-night gaming or working in the dark. Electric plug emoji. The Victus 16 comes with all the essentials: Wi-Fi 6E, USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and a solid battery life for a gaming laptop of this caliber. Speech bubble emoji. Final verdict. The 2025 HP Victus 16 is a powerhouse with next-gen performance, killer graphics, massive RAM and storage, and a sleek gamer-friendly design. Whether you're into competitive esports, content creation, or game streaming, this laptop is built to dominate. Down pointing finger emoji. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the best available price, and if you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you pick this or go for a Legion or ROG alternative? Catch you in the next review. Fire emoji.